is to what medically obesity affect medically on our body. So let's recapitulate what is obesity. All you have, we have done this obesity epidemic in India and causes and genetic involves. Abhi just now, Dr. Ruby has told us. So just to recall and recapitulate, the definition, the condition characterized by the excessive body fat that increases the risk of various health problems is called obesity, which is measured by the BMI. Next, and the major growing concern, as my previous speaker has told you, that urbanization and changing lifestyles are the major contributors. मेरे हिसाब से energy intake and energy expenditure, if it is balanced, there will be no obesity. But it is not balanced because the high consumption of food, ultra processed food, and less of the expenditure like exercises. So I can divide the consequences of obesity in three parts, like social, medical, and economic. सो आप सबको पता होगा, मेडिकल में सब नहीं किया होगा, हम निमोनिक्स बनाते थे याद करने के लिए. So obesity is a major growing problem in India. So I have made this mnemonics spectrum of medical illnesses: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. It's too long. So A for is all body suffers because of the obesity, like breathlessness, lung suffers breathlessness, cardiac ailments also. Some carcinomas are also because of the obesity. D for diabetes and depression, E for endocrine disorders like hypothyroidism, F for fatty liver, which is very common. And all of you have seen in every female's ultrasound that grade 1 fatty liver, grade 2 fatty liver. So fatty liver is very common. Gynecologist solves disorders like PCOD and GE disorders. H for hypertension. Hypertension is very common. Yeah, the first thing in the obesity. And isolation socially. Socially, the persons are isolated because of the obesity, overweight, etc. And the last one is the joint disorder. So a word about medical consequences like cardiovascular disease. Because of the obesity, cardiovascular disease predisposes like atherosclerosis, coronary heart diseases, increase of myocardial infarction, stroke, and hypertension. In recent studies like Paul, Billy, Tim, and et al. Circulation 2023, they have written it about it that hypertension can be mostly caused by the obesity. Type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance and high blood pressure, sugar levels. Metabolic syndromes like obesity, high BP, sugar, and dyslipidemia will also caused by the obesity. PCOS, we all know, we are dealing with this polycystic ovarian syndromes because of the overweight, lack of exercises, lack of drinking water and anything. Second is gastrointestinal and liver diseases. That's non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Previously, alcoholic fatty liver diseases are very common in males because of the drinking. But nowadays, it's a challenging thing in females that non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases are very common and commonly seen in the females. So we have to be very careful to deal with it. Third is GRD, increased risk of gallstones, and it is called Saint's triad. The obesity, risk of gallstones, and the reflux diseases. They all three made the Saint's triad. And it is also very common nowadays in females. And what about mental health? Mental health causes depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, and increase of dementia. Because of the obesity, we can see the risk disorders also, like obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. This is very common because of the obesity. आपका नेस्ट्रल्स खराटे भरना, ये सब चीज इसमें आती है. अस्थमा and obesity hypoventilation syndrome. It is called Pickwickian syndrome. You know, because of the obesity, person is hypoventilate, and because of that, high carbon dioxide causes toxicity, and the all makes the Pickwickian syndrome. So obesity hypoventilation syndrome is there because of the obesity. Musculoskeletal disorders like osteoarthritis, gout, and increased risk of fractures are there because of the obesity. Predisposition of certain cancers are also there. It is written in the obesity-related cancer types. National Cancer Institute, NCI, have researched on it in 2023 that certain cancers can be predisposed by the breast, by the obesity, like breast, colon, endometrial, and kidneys. In special situations, obesity in children and adolescents, early onset of metabolic disorders, more social issues. Because of the obesity, बच्चे बचते हैं, कंपनी से बचते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाने से बचते हैं, किसी सोशल गैदरिंग में जाने से बचते हैं. There are so many social issues because of the obesity. Growth and puberty disturbances are also, by the PCOS. Menstrual irregularities is there. And obesity in pregnancy is also very harmful, very kastprad, like gestational diabetes and complication in childbirth also. So it's a diagrammatic representation of weight loss, psychosocial impact because of the weight. Weight stigma is there, and because of the weight stigma, mental well-being is not there, because a low self-esteem is there, depression, increased risk of substance abuse, poor body image, and anxiety is also there कि मैं कैसे weight कम करूं, कैसे करूं. Social impact is very important in these girls or these persons beyond physical health, because stigma and discrimination, बॉडी शेमिंग जैसे डॉक्टर शम्मा बताएंगी अभी कि बच्चे चिढ़ाते हैं, मोटा है, कद्दू है, लड्डू है, इस तरह से दे आर वेरी मच डिप्रेसिंग. सोशल आइसोलेशन इज देयर बिकॉज ऑफ दीज, एंड द रिड्यूस एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑल्सो, कि आप काम तो कर नहीं पाओगे इतना मोटा. रिसेंटली दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट हैज टोल्ड द पुलिस पर्सनल्स कि जितना अगर आपका पेट बढ़ा है तो यू कैन नॉट बी इन दिल्ली पुलिस. Reduced quality of life because of these things, difficulty in daily activities, limitations in physical mobility, there is a reduced quality of life. Next. So except all these things, there is also an economic impact of the obesity on the society. Increased burden on the healthcare system due to illnesses, because of the, we have seen this ki cardiac illnesses hain, joint pains hain, liver problems hain, there are so many things. And this causes increased cost on maintaining looks. मोटा है, बाहर जाना है, अच्छा लगना है, तो वेट लॉस ट्रीटमेंट भी लेना है, चाहे उससे कुछ फायदा हो या ना हो. डाइट इंप्रूव करना है, फंक्शनल बेवरेज, फंक्शनल फूड. डाइट कोक पीते हैं, कोक तो जरूर पीना है पर वो डाइट कोक पिएंगे. खाना जरूर खाना है बाहर का पर वो डाइट फूड खाएंगे, डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट्स नहीं लेंगे. इक्विपमेंट्स जरूर खरीदेंगे, घर में बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, हम एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो दे यूज टू बाय इक्विपमेंट्स, सर्जिकल थिंग्स, and they join services, health clubs, consultation services, online weight loss, and importantly weight loss powder are coming. They all having nut, lekin par wo lena hai. And surgical cost is also there. They have going for the sleep gastrectomy and liposuction and many things. So economic impact is also there, and loss of productivity is there because of the absenteeism from work and school, कि आज तो हम नहीं जाएंगे, आज फंक्शन है तो हम अच्छा नहीं लगेंगे. So to conclude this topic of mine, consequences of obesity, takeaway message is obesity is a serious health issue in India. It has a far-reaching consequences for individual and society. Addressing obesity requires a multi-pronged approach. And call to action each one to encourage healthy lifestyle and support public health initiatives. This slide is very dear to my heart. All body organ suffers. एंड सबसे पहले लीवर बोलता है, हाय कोई तो बचाओ मुझे, मैं मरा जा रहा हूँ. उससे पहले लंग्स बोलने लगता है, आप तो बाद में, पहले मुझे कोई सांस तो दिलाओ. इतने में पेट ही फूलने लगता है, अरे सब अपनी कहे जा रहे हैं, कोई मुझे तो देखो मैं फटा जा रहा हूँ. और जॉइंट्स तो टूटे ही जाते हैं, दबे टूटे. इन सब के बीच में हार्ट कहता है, अरे कोई मेरी भी तो सुनो, मेरा क्या. थैंक यू वेरी मच.